Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
If you have a customer with multiple outstanding estimates for a job that accepts one of the estimates, you should make any other estimates for that job inactive. When you make an estimate inactive, QuickBooks keeps a record of it but removes its value from the total estimated amount for the selected job. To inactivate an estimate, display the estimate to inactivate within the Estimates window. One way to do this is to use the Find feature within the Estimates window. Another way to find the estimate is to simply open the Customer Center and then select the desired customer job for which you have created the estimate within the Customers and Jobs tab. You can see the estimates for the job appear on the Transactions tab at the right side of the Customer Center window. You can select the desired estimate to inactivate within the list shown in the Transactions tab, and then click the Manage Transactions button at the bottom of the Transactions tab. Then choose the Edit Selected Transaction command from the pop-up menu that appears to open the selected estimate in the Estimates window. With the estimate you want to inactivate displayed within the Estimates window, click the Mark as Inactive button within the Main tab of the ribbon at the top of the window. Then click the Save and Close button to save the changes and close the window.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.